So this is how you can search on TikTok while you're in a call. So if you've noticed, while you're in a call and you're on TikTok, the search bar might disappear. Now this happens for a lot of people, and if it happens for you, this is the perfect tutorial. So if you can't find the search bar in any kind of situation, just simply open up the comment section and then tap on this blue text. This will take you immediately to the search bar, and you can go on ahead and go back to the top and search for whatever you want. Once again, let's do that. As you can see, at the top of the comment section, there's this search colon JJ dancing. So the blue text is what you're going to want to focus on. You could also find it within the comments. As you can see, there are quite a few blue comments. So simply tap on those. And as you can see, you'll be taken to this. All you're going to have to do is just delete it and type whatever you want. This works with every kind of video. If you scroll down and open more comments, there will still be blue comments. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.